Well folks, it's finally here. Yes, my new book, the Thai cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. There's over 375 pages with over 100 recipes on this. Nisha, got Frank in the middle, you know what that means. Frank is one of my mentors. He passed away and it was his dream to have a book, so he's right at the front where he should be. And there's recipes of my life in Thailand, life on the road, having to deal with hairy, scary suppliers and snakes in the office, death threats, and other wonderful, great stories that I had in Thailand. It was one hell of a journey, and the recipes on here are from most of those journeys that I took on my over 75 motorbike trips that I did on every corner of Thailand. I think that's illegal in most countries, riding like that. It's all in there, folks. So for my Saint Lucian brothers and sisters, I finally have a price for you. As many people have been asking me for it. It's 175 EC dollars. That includes shipping, tax, VAT, and everything else the government throws at us for importing on our beautiful little island. Should you want to get the ebook version, that's $19.95 US dollars. You can get that by clicking on the chef shop icon at the end of the video. Stay tuned, my Saint Lucian brothers and sisters. I really want to make sure you're included in this. There is a special prize for Saint Lucian, so stay tuned at the end of the video. Have a quick preview of what my book is. This is my cookbook. So there you go, folks. Here's how it works. Purchase the book, send me your receipt. Your name goes into my Facebook Live lottery system. Once I get 100 purchases, I'll give you a week's notice to do a Facebook Live lottery system. Third prize, third prize. Anything under 20 US dollars from my chef shop, t-shirts, beanies, things like that, aprons, you know. Second prize, anything under 30 US dollars, and the first prize is 50 US dollars. Excuse me. After that, I'm going to ump it up. Should I get over 500 purchases, then I will ump up the prize values too. If I can get 10,000 purchases by the end of December 2018, here's what you're going to win. Third prize, 500 US dollars sent to you cash wire transfer. Second prize, 1,000 US dollars sent to you wherever you are. And the first grand prize is a wonderful trip to this beautiful exotic island of Saint Lucia. Yes, on me. I'll fly you in no matter where you are in the world. Saint Lucian, stay tuned, something for you coming up. You will stay at the wonderful, beautiful, exotic St. James Club. This is a wonderful deluxe hotel here on the island that is all inclusive. Yes folks, the booze, the drinks, the food, the booze, the drinks, the food, the booze is all on me. It's all inclusive. And I will take you around my beautiful island and show you the bush. We do some exotic bush cooking and some great wonderful hidden secret beaches. Yeah, so that's a nice little treat. If you're Saint Lucian, or sorry, if you are Saint Lucian, if you are living on the island of Saint Lucia and you win the book, you get the same big grand prize, except a trip. I'm not going to send you down the road. That wouldn't be nice, would it? A trip down to Jamaica for a week, all inclusive, same kind of package. Really appreciate you getting out and buying this, because by doing so you also help me to create a small team around me, which creates jobs. So thank you very, very much. Right, so recap: purchase the book, send me the receipt, like on all my social media, share, and make sure you spread the word. Right, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is really important, then you know what's going on. Right, okay. So don't forget to click on the chef shop icon at the end of the video to purchase my book, right? And click and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching folks. Bon appetit.